Hey guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna show you how to easily recover unsaved or deleted Excel on Mac. I bet most people have encountered this situation that your Mac suddenly shut down when you were editing a file or you just mistakenly deleted it. Okay, let's go and find how to recover unsaved or deleted Excel files on Mac. The very thought that you'll have when thinking about recovering unsaved Excel from Mac might be the temporary folder. As you can see, I lost this unsaved Excel on my Mac. Now I am gonna show you how to recover it from temporary folder. On your Mac, go to Utilities. Then Terminal. Once the terminal opens, type open $tmpdir and press the return key to open the temporary folder. Navigate through all the folders and select the folder with the name Temporary Items. Then find the unsaved Excel file you need under the Temporary Items folder and then restore it. If your unsaved Excel files can't be found in the temporary folder, let's move to the AuotRecovery. Open Finder on your Mac. Once you've done the above steps, go to Users, Username, Library, Containers, com.microsoft.excel, Data, Library, Preferences, AuotRecovery, and this will open up Excel's AuotRecovery folder. Find the unsaved Excel file you need, then recover it to another folder on your Mac. Next, I'll show you how to recover deleted Excel file on Mac with Time Machine if you've backed it up. Select System Preferences from the Apple menu. Choose the Time Machine icon. Check the box next to Show Time Machine in menu bar. Click Enter Time Machine after clicking the Time Machine icon in the menu bar. Find the file or folder in question and click Restore, if you don't have the corresponding backup data of the lost Excel files. You need to give 4DDIG Mac Data Recovery a try. 4DDIG Mac Data Recovery can recover everything you lost from your Mac in any scenario. It can fast scan your lost data from your hard drives, external hard drives and trash and retrieve them in 3 steps, which is trusted by millions of users. Now download and install 4DDIG on your Mac and I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted Excel on Mac. Launch 4DDIG program. Then select the location where your important Excel files got lost from your Mac. Click on Scan. It will do an all-around scan on the selected drive. It takes a while to scan all deleted files. After the scanning result is generated, you can click on specific file types to preview and then click Recover to restore your deleted Excel file and choose the save location. Now your permanently deleted Excel file on Mac has been successfully restored. If you have any question or thought, just leave your comments below. I'll see you next time.